Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 Land Rover Range Rover. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. I would like for you to know under the headlight there's a little scratch here, but everything else is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. Both front and back door look perfect. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. The trunk looks fine. I do not see any scratches at all, and the back bumper is perfect as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. Both front and back door look good. I'm not seeing any paint chips or dents. And now the last fender and wheel looks excellent. The fender has no scratches at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. First, we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I do not see any wear and tear here at all. Let's take a look at the back seats. Back here looks perfect as well. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. Let's move on to the back seat. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.